New at 6, the Army is now on board with the Brandon Act. The Secretary of the Army signed orders directing the department to immediately implement provisions of the 2021 law. It's designed to reduce suicide by providing confidential, stigma-free mental health care to troops. Mike Gooding has the latest.
The U.S. Army said on Friday that it has implemented the Brandon Act to help soldiers seeking mental health services. The new policy will allow troops to confidentially seek mental health help. Secretary of the Army Christine Wormuth wrote in a news release, "We must constantly look for additional ways to connect our soldiers with the necessary resources for their well-being." And the Army's new policy to implement the Brandon Act gives soldiers another tool to seek help while honoring the legacy of Petty Officer Caserta. The Army's announcement comes days after 13 News Now reported that the Army was the only branch of the U.S. Armed Forces to have failed to implement the act. The Navy, Marine Corps, and Air Force implemented the 2021 law in July. Earlier this week, the family of the sailor the law is named after went public criticizing the Army for taking so long. But today, Brandon Caserta's parents told 13 News Now that they're pleased the Army has now taken action.
We're very happy. I mean, words cannot express how elated we are with the Army. I think we did the right thing.
It's not a fix, it's not perfect, but it's a start, and we have a lot more work to do, and we know this, and so does Congress, and so does the military.
Mike Gooding, 13 News Now.
Defense Department data shows in 2021, the Army had the highest number of suicides among the U.S. military branches at 176. That's followed by the Navy with 58.